Paraphrasing, quoting, and in-text citations. When using information from another source or person, you need to record certain information for your reference page and in-text citation. The author's names, the publication year, the page or pages that specific information is located on. There's other information that you will need for your reference page, but we'll get to that in the next video. Failure to properly give credit to the source of your information and ideas is a form of intellectual theft called plagiarism. Plagiarism can result in a lower grade, class failure, or even expulsion. In the professional world, committing plagiarism has cost some people their careers. Fortunately, there are 3 simple steps that you can follow to avoid plagiarizing. Record the citation information for any source you use. Include an in-text citation for any quote or paraphrase of that information, and include any source used in the reference list at the end of your assignment. Once you have sources and their information, you just have to decide how to include that information in your writing. Your primary options are to paraphrase or quote the information. When paraphrasing, you do not use quotation marks and you rewrite the information into your own words. The hard part here is working to keep the original author's intended meaning. But writing in your own words can make it fit better with your writing. A direct quotation is usually easier and requires that you use quotation marks around the exact text of the source. The text must be the same. You should try to avoid quoting more than a couple lines of text. If your quote is more than 40 words long, you have to set it up in what is called a block quotation, which has its own formatting requirements. When either quoting or paraphrasing, you must follow your reference with an in-text citation. This citation is placed within parentheses and before the period in that sentence. The in-text citation should include the author's last name or names, the publication year, and the page number or paragraph number that reference is from. You can also use the author's names and the date to introduce a reference in the sentence. If you do, you only need to include the page or paragraph number in the in-text citation. And that's it. Remember to do this for each and every reference in your paper.